Howdy, Michael, the Mercedes guy here. And what do you do when your heater won't turn off in the summertime and you want an immediate fix? Well, here's what you do. Locate one of the heater hoses and literally pinch it flat. And I'm using one of the best ones made. This is from Napa. And you want to situate it in such a place where the handle and the weight of this tool won't cause a problem. Now that's pinched off, and this happened to my 124 car the other day when it was 90 degrees. I stopped at a Napa and I didn't have one with me, bought this tool, put it on. Within 5 minutes, no more heat coming out of the dash. So this is a quick, easy fix until you get the real problem fixed, which is usually this unit right here, which is called a monovalve. And this is usually what goes out. We'll do another segment on fixing that when I get another one to replace it.